Hi guys, welcome back to my video. I am unboxing the Tecno Spark Slim. Ultra slim design. The device measures just 5.93 mm at its thinnest point, giving it a sleek premium feel in hand. For rigidity, it features a strong internal metal structure encased in a fiberglass bag and a recycled aluminum frame. 45-watt supercharging. High-quality display. It sports a 6.78-inch 3D curved AMOLED screen with a 1.5K resolution and a 144Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling. It boasts a peak brightness of 4,500 nits, making it easily viewable in the bright sunlight. Capable performance. The phone is powered by the MediaTec Helio G200 processors. While not a top-tier chipset for heavy gaming, it handles daily tasks like browsing and video streaming smoothly. A light vapor chamber provides advanced heat dissipation, durability, and resilience. The phone is IP64 rated for dust and water resistant and has passed military-grade shock-resistant tests. The curved display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Event Eye. moonlight feature. A unique element on the rear is a light up moonlight that can be customized for calls, notifications, and charging, adding a personalized touch. A 5160 mAh battery is surprisingly integrated into the Zin body, offering all-day power. It supports 45 watt wire supercharging, allowing a full charge in approximately under 60 minutes. It also includes bypass charging for reduced heat during gaming.